Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Coming to you with a video about my pipe bender I got a couple years ago. I got me making a stand for it. So this is my Power Fist 16-ton pipe bender. Nice hydraulic cylinder. Got a 2-inch bore, so it's pretty powerful. You get 6 different adjustments for your lowers. You got the lifting bar. You got the plate to hold the springs. That goes right on top of there, and springs go from here to there. As you can see, this is bent. I bent it so you can bend it more. Right now, this thing can only bend a 45-degree angle. As you can see, the dies. And there are 8 of them on 16 ton. Because you get the 3-inch. And I love the 3-inch. But yeah, you get the 3-inch, 2.5, 2-inch, 1.5, 1.25, 1. You see this one, I use a lot on 1. 3/4 and then 1/2 inch. This is not a tube bender, it's a pipe bender. A tube is it's exact wall size. This is 1 inch, but that wall size in here is 1.25 inches. So yeah, tubes are perfect size, but the pipes are not. They're the size bigger than normal. These are my lowers. So yeah, how I'm gonna do this is I got this metal plate. Oh yeah, and one other thing before I get into that, I cut some notch out of the tube bender, pipe bender, one on each side. There's a little notch so the pipe can fit in there, because this thing I found out. You take the springs off and that bracket, and if you cut the notch it out, it don't weaken it or anything, but it can bend a 55-degree angle. Just a little bit more, but sometimes you need it. And on these, I want to build a support. I go on top of here to push down on the pipe, like a screw or something. That's what the plan is. But yeah, I get started on this. I want to make a little cart it rolls around on. I got this 1/2 inch steel plate. I think it's strong enough. I drilled some holes. And I drilled some holes in the pipe bender. One down there. And one right there. They match up perfectly. So I'm gonna weld that plate on the top of this pipe. It's some 2-inch pipe, a 1/4 wall. So a 3/8 wall, a little thicker. I'm gonna take some of this. I want it about 30 inch. Not as high as the bench, about the high of the 2x4 on the bench. So I'm gonna weld that plate onto there. I made cut these brackets. I didn't have no C-channel, so I'm gonna put these out here. So it look like that. It looked like a piece of C-channel. But yeah, put them in the center. Put the pipe on top, like that. Weld that straight first, and I got these little 4-pieces here. If I can balance this, like that. I got these little 4-pieces of angle iron, 1/4 inch. I'm gonna weld like this for a bracing, 4 pieces. I want this thing nice and solid, because when you're cranking down on pipe bender, you're putting almost your full body weight on it if you're trying to bend something like 3-inch pipe. So I get busy welding. Well guys, I got it welded up. I welded that plate on the top here. There down to the bottom on the pipe. Loaded that into there. Loaded the like C-channel in. Got that some angle stock on there. It's good and solid. And this little cart just made out of angle stock and wheels too. The heavy duty. I found that somewhere. Yeah, I'm wondering what the size of this thing is. Let's see. From the floor to the top here is about 3 feet. The plate on top is about 8.5 by 3. And just enough to fit that. And that 2-inch square tubing all the way down. And that 1/4-inch angle steel. I think it's 1.5 inches, yeah. 1.5 inches. But it's simple. It's rough. I'm thinking when I put the pipe bender on there, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do with these. I put a little box to store them on, or should I put like little like pipes? I hook them like this. Have them run down all 4 sides. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna finish figure out what I'm gonna do with those and paint it. I'll be back. Well, I welded some tabs on and I painted it. Look like a tree. This is some 3/8 rod I cut and just welded on. But yeah, I think it would have turned out pretty good. I got another coat of paint I needed, but yeah. Something simple, something easy to roll around. And I got some room on the bottom, which I think I'm going to put some of my other stuff. But yeah, I got the 16-ton pipe bender on the top, and there we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was something quick I wanted to build. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.